In this example, we are asked to give the equation of the line that passes through the point -3, 1 and is parallel to 2.2y minus 1.4x plus 1.6 equals 0. The first step is to find the slope of the line that we know. Converting this into slope-intercept form, I get 2.2y equals 1.4x minus 1.6, and then isolating the y equals 1.4 over 2.2x minus 1.6 over 2.2. 1.4 over 2.2 is equivalent to 7/11. The slope, m1, of this line is 7/11. m1 is parallel to m2, therefore the slope of m2 also equals 7/11 because parallel lines have the same slope. Using this slope and the given point, I can now derive my equation. 7/11 equals y minus 1 over x minus -3. Cross multiplying, 7 times x plus 3 equals 11 times y minus 1. 7x plus 21 equals 11y minus 11. 7x minus 11y plus 21 plus 11 equals 0. And the equation, therefore, in standard form, will be 7x minus 11y plus 32 equals 0. In this example, I am asked to provide the equation of the line that is parallel to -5x plus 5y plus 25 equals 0 and goes through the point -4, -4. This equation is already simplified into standard form, which looks like this: ax plus by plus c equals 0, where the a, b, and c are the numerical coefficients of the three terms. When the equation is in standard form, I can find its slope using this slope formula. The slope is equal to -a over b. In this case, a is -5, so -a becomes negative of -5, and b is 5, so the b is 5. Simplifying, this becomes 1 over 1. The slope of the line that I am given, m1, is 1 over 1 in fraction form. m1 is parallel to m2. Therefore, the slope of m2, the line I am looking for, is also 1 over 1 because parallel lines have equal slopes. I take this slope in the form of a fraction and this point that I was given, and I use them to derive the equation. 1 over 1 equals y minus -4 over x minus -4. Cross multiplying, 1 times y plus 4 equals 1 times x plus 4. Y plus 4 equals x plus 4. Y equals x plus 4 minus 4. And then combining the similar terms, y equals x. In slope-intercept form this time, I have given the equation of the line that is parallel to this line and goes through the point -4, -4. In this example, I am being asked to give the equation of the line that is parallel to 1/8 minus y equals -x over 2 plus 1/4 and passes through the point -1.5, -2.5. The first step is to find the slope of the given equation. I'm going to start by isolating the y on the left of the equals. Negative y equals -1/2 x plus 1/4, and moving the eighth to the other side, minus 1/8. Now I'm going to divide the entire equation by -1, so that my y is truly isolated. Y equals 1/2 x minus 1/4 plus 1/8. Therefore, y is equal to 1/2 x minus 1/8. My slope is 1/2. M1 equals 1/2. M1 is parallel to M2. Therefore, M2 also equals 1/2, because parallel lines have equal slopes. I take this slope in the form of a fraction, and I use it with the point that was given to derive the equation of my line. 1/2 is equal to y minus -2.5 over x minus -1.5. Cross multiplying, 1 times x plus 1.5 equals 2 times y plus 2.5. X plus 1.5 equals 2y plus 5. And then, to give the equation in standard form, I will move everything to the left of the equal sign and simplify. X minus 2y plus 1.5 minus 5 equals 0. Combining the two similar terms, x minus 2y minus 3.5 equals 0 is the equation in standard form of the line that is parallel to this line and goes through this point.